The topic for discussion today is trigeminal nerve. What is trigeminal nerve? Trigeminal nerve is a fifth cranial nerve. It is a mixed nerve, that is, it has got both the motor component and the sensory component. It arises from pons. It is the largest cranial nerve. This diagram indicates the trigeminal nerve origin, that is from pons. Blue arrow indicating the pons. Various nuclei are associated with trigeminal nerve and these are situated within the pons. The nucleus are motor nucleus, sensory nucleus, mesencephalic nucleus and spinal nucleus. This diagram indicates the different nucleuses present in the trigeminal nerve situated in pons. Now, next coming to the divisions of the trigeminal nerve. It is divided into three divisions or three branches. V1 is the ophthalmic division, V2 is the maxillary division and V3 is the mandibular division. Now, coming to the nucleus, arrow indicates the principal sensory nucleus, okay, and the next arrow indicates the motor nucleus and the next arrow indicating the mesencephalic nucleus and the last arrow indicating the spinal nucleus. These are the nucleuses in which are situated in the pons. Now, let us see the divisions again. V1 indicating the ophthalmic division as seen in the diagram, V2 the maxillary division and V3 is the mandibular division. These are the divisions of the trigeminal nerve. Now, let us see the exit, how the branches exit from the trigeminal nerve. From ophthalmic division, they leave the cranial cavity to superior orbital fissure. From maxillary division, they leave the cranial cavity to foramen rotundum and from mandibular division, they leave through the foramen ovale. This is how the trigeminal nerve gets exited. Now, coming to the ophthalmic nerve. Ophthalmic nerve is the first division of the trigeminal nerve. It is a superior division of trigeminal nerve and is the smallest. It is a purely sensory. It is divided into three branches. The first is the lacrimal nerve, as you can see in the diagram. The second branch is the frontal nerve and the third branch is the nasociliary nerve. Next comes the maxillary nerve. It is the second division of the trigeminal nerve and it is the intermediate division. It is also sensory as ophthalmic nerve. Maxillary nerve is also sensory. The branches of maxillary nerve are divided into four. The first branch it gives off in the cranium, that is the meningeal branch. You can see in the diagram, the first branch would be the maxillary nerve. It gives branch to the meningeal. In the cranium, it gives to the meningeal branch. You can see indicated by the arrow mark. Okay, this is the meningeal branch of maxillary nerve. Now, in the second, it gives into the pterygopalatine and fossa. The branches would be ganglionic branches, zygomatic branches and posterior superior alveolar branches. This diagram indicates into the pterygopalatine and fossa. The first arrow indicates the ganglionic branches of maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. Okay. The second arrow indicates the zygomatic branches of the maxillary division of trigeminal nerve and the third yellow arrow indicates the posterior superior alveolar branches of the maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. Now, the third in the infraorbital canal. In the infraorbital canal, it gives of branches to the middle superior alveolar and the anterior superior alveolar. In this diagram, you can see the branches in the infraorbital canal. What are those two branches? The first arrow indicating the middle superior alveolar and the next yellow arrow indicating the anterior superior alveolar branches. On the face, it gives off the three branches, that is the palpebral branch, nasal branch and the superior labial branch. The arrow now comes which indicates the branches of the maxillary division of trigeminal nerve on the face. Now, the third division is the mandibular nerve. What is mandibular nerve? It is the third and the largest division of the trigeminal nerve. It is made up of two roots, that is the sensory root and the motor root. Okay. What is the sensory and the motor root? The arrow indicating the motor root and the sensory root of the mandibular nerve. the branches of mandibular nerve is divided into undivided nerve and the divided nerve. The undivided nerve is given into again two branches. The first branch is the meningeal branch or the nervus spinosus, and the second branch is the nerve to medial pterygoid. The arrow indicating the nerve to medial pterygoid and the next arrow indicating the nervus spinosus. Now, the branches of the divided nerve, which is again divided into anterior division and the posterior division. What are the branches of anterior division? That is the buccal nerve, mesenteric nerve, deep temporal nerve, nerve to lateral pterygoid. This is a diagram indicating the anterior division of the trigeminal nerve, that is the buccal. Now, coming to the posterior division. What is the posterior division branches? They are auriculotemporal nerve, lingual nerve and the inferior alveolar nerve. This diagram shows the lingual nerve and the inferior alveolar nerve. This is a diagram of the trigeminal nerve, which is divided into three branches: ophthalmic branch, V1 branch, maxillary branch is a V2 branch, and mandibular branch, which is a V3 branch, which is again divided into divided nerve branches and the undivided nerve branches. Okay. What are the undivided nerve branches? Which is the nerve to medial pterygoid and the nerve spinosus, and the divided nerve branches are again divided into anterior division and the posterior division. What comes under anterior division? Buccal nerve, deep temporal nerve and mesenteric nerve. What are the branches of the divided like posterior division? They are the auriculotemporal nerve, lingual nerve and the inferior alveolar nerve. Okay. Now, let us get a brief view of other two divisions also. First is the ophthalmic branch. Ophthalmic branch, what are the different divisions of ophthalmic branch, or which gives the different branches would be from what are those? Frontal, nasociliary and lacrimal. These are the three branches of ophthalmic nerve. Okay. Now, next comes the maxillary branch. Maxillary branch, it gives off on the four. First into the cranium, it gives off branches to the meningeal or the meningeal branch. Next comes the pterygopalatine fossa. In the pterygopalatine fossa, what are the branches it gives off? That is the posterior superior alveolar branch. And next comes the, what is the next? Next is the on the face. On face, it gives off again three branches. What are those three branches? Nasal and superior labial and the palpebral branch. Okay. Trigeminal nerve itself is very important for hugging neck and for dentist. So, remember the divisions of the trigeminal nerve. It is very easy to remember the three branches of the trigeminal nerve and what are those three branches. Then, what is the motor branch of the trigeminal nerve? That is the mandibular branch. What are the two sensory branches of the trigeminal nerve? Ophthalmic branch and the maxillary branch. Okay.